Have you ever seen a crocodile with a very long and thin snout? Well, today we're talking about the gharial. The gharial, scientifically known as Gavialis gangeticus, is one of the most unique and rare reptiles in the world. Its most distinctive feature is its long, narrow snout, which contains over 100 sharp teeth. This special shape helps it catch fish quickly in the water. Gharials are mainly found in the rivers of India, like the Ganga River, Yamuna River, and Chambal River. Here's an interesting fact. Male gharials develop a round bump on their snout called a gara, which is how they got their name. Now, you might be wondering, are they dangerous? Surprisingly, gharials are almost harmless to humans, but sadly, today their population has declined drastically, and they are now critically endangered.